Read and solve. Salil had 6 chalks. 6. So we write 6 over here. 6. Hamid gave him 3 more chalks. So Hamid gave him 3 more chalks. We write here. So Salil's chalks, Hamid's chalks. So total how many chalks? So we can write over here like this. Salil's chalks. Let us draw Salil's chalks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hamid's chalks. 1, 2, 3. So total how many chalks are there? We will count total number of chalks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7, 8, 9. We will write 9 over here. 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. We can do it in a better way. What better way? We know that Salil has already 6 chalks. So we will not draw chalks for Salil. Hamid gave him 3 more chalks. So we will draw 3 chalks. 1, 2, 3. 3 chalks. Salil's chalks 6. Hamid's chalks 3. So we will start counting from 6 onwards. So 6, 7, 8, 9. How many chalks are there now? Total 9 chalks. So 6, we will write 6 as it is, plus 3 is equal to 9. Ketan has 4 almonds. Ketan had 4 almonds, badam almonds. Neha gave him 4 more almonds. So 4 more almonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ketan had 4 almonds. 4. Neha gave him 4 almonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 almonds Neha gave. So in all, how many almonds do they have together? So together. So you count this as 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you write 8 over here. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Joseph has 7 flowers. So we will write 7 as it is, because we know he has 7 flowers. Plus, Angel has given him 2 flowers. Angel gave him 2 flowers. 1, 2. So 7 plus 2. We will try to get how much it is. Joseph had 7 flowers. Angel has 2 flowers. So 7 plus 2. So we will count 7 as 7 only. And further we will count this flower as 8. And this as 9. 7, 8, 9. We will write 9 over here. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So we can write 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Jia has 5 beads. Jia has 5 beads. And Permit has 3 beads. 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. So Jia's beads 5. Parmit's beads 3. 5 plus 3 we have to find out. So we will write 5 as it is. We will not draw beads for 5. But for 3 we will draw 3 beads. And we will start counting. So from 5 onwards we will start counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. We can draw like this also. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we can write 5 plus 3 is equal to 8.